What's up, YouTube? I am not Super Dan the Shoe Man, but
I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. And we're going to make a video here for you today. I've talked about this video. I talked about it on my live. Payton hasn't seen the live yet, right? You did watch a couple videos while you were gone with your dad, right? Mm-hmm. That's cool. So who decided to watch the video?
Jamie.
Really? Cool.
Just see him.
All right, cool. Thanks, Jamie. All right, but I've got a video that I'm going to make here with Payton first. First, though, I need to talk about my sponsor. Do you know who my sponsor is, Payton? Jesus. Matthew 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging on the cross and he looked up to heaven and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me? What was God doing when he asked, my God, why have you forsaken me? He was forsaking him.
Yeah.
He was forsaking him. He was turning his back on him. Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. He will never leave Payton or forsake Payton because he forsook all of the forsaking he had to forsake on Jesus that day at the cross. So thanks for the sponsorship, Jesus. All right, Payton, hold up your two shoes. So since I've been doing this, these are Payton's two fire shoes. She's got plenty of other shoes, just not like fire shoes that I get. She wears my size, and she's worn my UNC 4s a couple of times. That's pretty much it, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. She's asked to wear my university blues, right? Yeah. What else have you asked to wear? That might be it. Out of all those, which ones would you want to wear? Oh, but what else? We know those. Okay, it doesn't matter. So, strawberry milks. Okay, right there. So, Payton and Haley wear the same size. Haley's the oldest. Payton is the middle. Haley and Hesper wear the same size. And Hesper's my wife. And it's a little bit different, like when you're talking about your wife. Like, you got to make your wife happy. I have to make my wife happy so that I can have these shoes. And one way that I do that is by buying all the shoes for my wife too. It just so happens that Haley can fit in a lot of them, and Hesper lets her wear them. Haley has a wide foot, so she kind of stretches Hesper's shoes out a little bit. Payton wouldn't do that to my shoes because her foot is long and narrow, but it's still my size, so she could wear my shoes. But why don't I let you wear my shoes normally? Show me your Jordan, the Jordan 1. It's not the cleanest, and you've kept it pretty much this dirty since the day after you got it. Like, it was like the day after you got it, it got this dirty. And this is actually my MA2, but just because her MA2 wasn't in here, but she has an MA2. We both have a pair of those. What'd you tell your mom the other day about me and shoes? That you were upset with me because I haven't gotten you a new pair of shoes and I wouldn't let you wear mine?
Yeah.
All right. You have 5 boxes of shoes there. They're not all for you. You can't have 5 of them because, well, there's several reasons. Actually, there's 6 because there's another one up there, but that's just a duplicate in a different size in case one of these is too big.
Either one of these. Those.
Yes. Yeah. All right. So I want you to open that one first, look at it, and tell me what you think.
I like the box.
You like the box is pretty cool. Yeah. Do you remember this?
Yes.
All right. I don't know if you will have seen my review on this shoe yet, but I got this used from Memory Lane. You saw it with me there one day. And you really like it when it's not cut, right? When the outside is still on it. Mm-hmm. And you don't like it so much like this.
I'm not really.
No. Do you like it at all?
No, it's alright.
If this was my shoe, would you ever want to wear it? Maybe. Okay, so you'd hold it up just so everybody can see it real quick. So this is a maybe I would wear it, but I don't want it. Okay. All right, put it back in the box. And we'll put this one to the side now. Next. Wait, let me see this one. Okay, go. Do you know what that is?
It's
Dunk Low.
Yeah.
Cord purple. Do you like that? Is that one that you would want?
Maybe.
Maybe? Okay. I really like that one too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, put it away. So this one's a maybe. Yeah. We'll put this one over here on the side. Okay. Wait. Now let's do this one first. No, let's not. Everybody else can see what these are. This one. Yes. Okay. So you like this one better than the purple one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we can take the purple one off the table. Or would you consider the purple one instead of that one?
Oh, this one.
Okay, so we can take that one off the table. Okay. No more court purple for Payton.
No, I like the lace.
Why? Okay, they're pretty. All right. All right, well, leave it on top. So close the box. Put the box there. Let's let the camera see the outside of the shoe. Just twist it, turn it around, all the way. So we can. This is the outside of the shoe. All right, that's just the better looking side. So, this one, the black one.
This reminds me of the baby shoe.
I never sold it. You would get those so dirty. You're right. And you should think about that. Because I don't care how much I tell you to be careful with them, and I don't care how careful you are, you're going to get them dirty.
Have you seen the white Vans? They're not Vans, but the white ones?
They're dirty? Okay. So do you like those better than the black ones?
Yeah, I've just seen them with this one, and I like those better.
You like the black ones better? Okay. All right. So should we leave this one out as a maybe, or do you like that one way better? Okay, do you know what this is? No. That's a dunk high. That's a dunk high. The court purple was a dunk low. That's a dunk high. That's the strawberry milk is a dunk mid. It's not quite as high as it. You like that one better. And you're afraid of the white one now.
I don't want to get dirty.
But do you like the white one better?
I don't know.
All right, leave it out. Leave it out. Because that one can still be a maybe. We can get rid of these, so we're just gonna get them off the table. All right, put this one over here. And then this one. I don't know if you know this, but that's the shoe that everybody wants. Like, everybody wants that shoe. The Dunk Low Panda. The Dunk High Panda is like meh, because it's a high, but everybody likes Dunk Lows. It's weird. Everybody likes Jordan 1 highs, like the blue one that you want to wear, and not Jordan 1 lows. People don't like these nearly as much as the high, but everybody likes Dunk Lows and doesn't like Dunk Highs. It's like flip-flopped with Dunks. Yeah, I don't know why.
The dunk low makes it look long, makes it look longer on my foot, but then when
It does.
high, it makes it look better.
It could be more proportionate for you, because you do have your foot's a little bigger, and this might not look as long. But I do have another size of that one. That's the one that's up there. So this is a size 11. That's a size 10.5 in women's. Well,
That's fine. They fit really good.
right. So, and those will look a little bit smaller on your foot because they are smaller. If they fit, then you might want to go with those instead of those.
I like them.
So which one out of those three? Let's do this. Oh, oh. Which one? You like that one the best? Okay. That's what you want. You want those. Okay, you can have those.
I like these because those Jordan ones look good.
All right. So those we'll still let you try them on. We'll look at them on your foot. And what would
Those are high or low?
that's a low. It's this one, just a smaller size. I don't have a smaller size than that. That is
The size what?
that's a size 11 in men's. That's a size 11 in men's. That's a size 11 in men's. That's a 12 in women's, which is a 10.5 in men's. You don't like the? I still thought you were going to choose the Hawaii Dunks. The ones that are back here.
What are those?
The Hawaiis.
Oh.
Nah, you're good. All right, we'll try those on, but those are, you think, hold them up again. Hold them
So,
up. And I don't normally do this, but I'm going to put water repellent and stain repellent all over those. Yes. You're going to wear them, and you're going to try to keep them clean. But I think I'm pretty sure I have some water repellent. But Rejuvenator could sponsor the video. Maybe the Rejuvenator could sponsor your shoes. Because your shoes need the Rejuvenator more than anything.
Not that bad.
Alright. So the dunk lows, as long as she ends up really liking those, we'll come back at the end. We'll come back after try them on. Alright. Say it, we'll be back. Alright, Payton tried them on. She tried on the women's Panda Low. She didn't try that one on. She didn't try the neutral gray one low. She's really wanted that for a while, but she just decided she liked the other ones better, and it's too white. She tried out on the men's dunk high. And which one did you choose, Payton?
The men's dunk.
And it actually looks really good with the boot cut jeans you're wearing right now. So, congratulations, Payton. They do look good on you, and I might wear them too. Love you, Payton.
Love it.
All right. Now to say everything else. What do they need to do? What do they need to do? The YouTube subscribers.
Oh, tell your grandma, subscribe, smash the like, and comment to like what he's talking about, not just like anything.
Yeah, comment.
So he knows that you're paying attention to the video.
Watch the live video.
Watch the live video.
And since she didn't take these, I'm going to hang on to these Panda Dunk Lows size 11 and the women's size 10.5 or the women's size 12 that are a men's size 10.5. I'm going to hang on to those. These could be in the giveaway. You comment down below if y'all want those in the giveaway. I'm sure they do, because everybody wants these. Payton doesn't realize this, but everybody wants the lows. But she likes the highs. So, all right. See y'all later.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire!